Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on October 22, 2025, about 5 days ago. The standout result is a corrective diffusion framework, ReDiff, that turns passive denoising into active refining, with Claire improving from 65.54 to 76.74, a gain of 11.2 points. The paper is titled, From Denoising to Refining, a Corrective Framework for Vision Language Diffusion Model. And as we'll see later, the implications for model training are quite significant. This paper shows far more stable parallel decoding and better coherence and factuality by teaching models to correct their own mistakes. While Figure 1 contrasts passive mask prediction with active refining, which means the model can revise previously placed tokens instead of only filling blanks. Panel A depicts the error cascade that arises during parallel decoding, where multiple tokens are generated per step. Panel B illustrates the corrective loop that trains the model to fix its own drafts. The bottom plots show steadier quality as decoding speeds up to 8 tokens per step, so performance degrades far less. Alright, Figure 2 shows how the corrective framework trains in two-stage fashion to stop error cascades. The left panel illustrates common mistakes, including hallucination, which means the caption asserts objects or attributes that the image does not support. The middle panel depicts foundational revision training, where synthetic noise and fabricated hallucinations are injected and the model learns to restore the clean caption. The right panel highlights online self-correction, where model drafts are revised by an expert to create draft-refined pairs that target its real mistakes. So Table 1 compares models across detailed caption benchmarks and shows the refining approach leading all diffusion models. On CapMass, the Claire score reaches 76.74, which clearly surpasses prior diffusion baselines. The capture score is 61.88, which even edges past the strong auto-reg system Qwen 2.5 vision language. The Cap Arena autocolumn lists negative 51.5, and the bold entries mark the best among diffusion models. Together, the scores indicate richer coverage and higher factuality. Well, Table 4 shows that combining both training stages yields the strongest results, with Claire reaching 76.74. The message is straightforward. Revision plus self-correction improves quality and keeps decoding stable because the model learns to fix its own drafts. Stability also holds at faster parallel generation, with Claire staying high at 75.85. Stage 2 alone raises factuality to 59.49, and the combined model improves Cap Arena Auto to negative 51.5. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Reframing generation as active refining, with staged revision and self-correction, breaks error cascades and lifts factuality and coherence. And the approach keeps parallel decoding stable, so faster generation no longer craters quality. The broader signal is clear. Teach models to revise themselves. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.